Hello, in this RPCS3 video, I'm going to show you how to set up your DualShock 4 controller on your Mac so you can use it to play PS3 games. Pretty rad, I know. So there's two ways you can do it. One, wirelessly, through Bluetooth, and two, using a micro USB cable. And that's the method I'll be doing just because my battery has ran out for my controller and I wanted to get this video done. I wanted to move on to other videos, so I'm going to show you how to actually still do it though via Bluetooth. To do it via Bluetooth, you go to Settings, System Preferences, you go to Bluetooth, and here you need to map your controller. To do that, you press Share up in the top left and the PlayStation button at the same time. Mine probably won't do anything, but the LED will start flashing like so. And I can try and connect, but my battery is going to die in a matter of, seconds. So that's basically what you would do. And that's connected. Now you can configure it in RPS3, which I'll go ahead and do. Don't remove it. I'm just going to remove it just so I can connect it via wire. So I've connected it via wire now. Now, if we open up RPCS3, and go to configuration pads, and in here you select DualShock 4, click refresh, make sure DS4 pad 1 is selected. If it says disconnected, then something's wrong and you need to re-go the process. Make sure you've got your cable connected, make sure the light's on, make sure if it's connected to a dongle that's working, make sure it's connected via Bluetooth, just make sure it's all good. And now to map it, by default it maps it great because it's one-to-one mapping. But if you do want to override something, let's say if I want to does the triangle button, press that, press triangle, boom. But I'm just gonna keep that up, and we got the analog sticks here. So if we move these, you can see them right here. You can adjust the dead zone, which is great for joystick drift, and you can change the device class. So if you're playing something like DJ Hero or Guitar Hero, you can do DJ and guitar controllers. New battery status and the LED color. So let's see if we can change that. I'm gonna go for a greenish color. Click apply. So I guess can't change it on this controller. Fair enough. That's fine. No issues. And nothing they can do. Go to motion controls. As you can see, motion is working. So for a game like Lair, you can use the motion controller, which is great. And you can add a profile. I covered this in the setup video for RPCS3 on Mac, which feel free to check out. There's a link in the description. But the profiles are great for different, games, different, controller configurations for different games, different genres, different players, all that stuff. Great stuff. Okay, so click save once you're done, and that's it. I can show you it working now. As you can see, up down works great. If I press X on, oh, the light's updated. Don't know why it didn't update before. And I can play a little bit. Put the volume up a bit. Booyaka. This is so frame rates we used to play games at. Still, some games are different. Some people do, depending on the system they're playing at, but still, to play high-end shooters like this, that people be losing their mind over if it's not 144 hertz and if it's only 120. This is nearing the end of first level. Obviously, you can quit. You can get off the video, but I'm just going to play a little bit. Love this game.
No one knows exactly how Hell was infected by the command virus. Our only clue is a journal entry covered from the body of a US medic. It says that he encountered a number of comatose soldiers in a dry creek bed. One of the soldiers, a sergeant, suddenly woke up. Unlike the other soldiers, his body had no wounds at all. The sergeant refused any kind of medical examination, insisting on catching up to the rest of the company. If that sergeant was in fact Nathan Hale, then he remains the only known person to wake up after being infected. Whether the command virus mutated within him, or whether his body had innate resistance to it, remains a mystery.
Man, I would love a new Resistance game. Imagine that Resistance 4 on PS5. Oh my god, how good do those graphics look? I mean, it's nothing to do with this, but like the Order 1866, obviously that's set even I think even way before this. But yeah, like it's that vibe, like the graphics of Order 1886. Oh my god. Yep, I'm going to wrap it up there. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the comments. There's also a link in the description to the Discord group where there's over 8,000 members. You can join that. So the huge amount of resources there for downloading content, tools, games, all that sort of stuff. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.